Hey, welcome back. Today's video, we got something special. We have a 1946 Cadillac. If you go back into the videos, my past videos, you're gonna see a beautiful 1946 Cadillac Limousine I restored the interior on. Well, today we have something cool because I have the original door skins and they are just shot. So today we are going to restore them to brand new. They came out great. I hope you watch the whole thing with me. Like and subscribe, please. This is how we keep the channel going. I thank you for your support. We're almost at 30,000 subscribers. Sit back, relax. Let's restore these 80-year-old door skins. Let's go. All right, so right off the bat, let's take a peek here. We're gonna probably make these lines here. They're about 1 inch. We're gonna measure them 1 inch, and then we're gonna have to come up with the design for this insert piece. Okay. So first thing I want to do, I want to cut my new vinyl. This has a hole in it. Can't use that. I want to cut my new vinyl larger than my door skin. I'll show you why. We're going to make the lines and designs on this piece of vinyl, and then we're going to glue it onto the foam, etc. Start sewing. I have the door pattern transferred onto the vinyl, and even like the little corners there, all I did was take my thread and I made the radius. Okay, you don't have to get too crazy with it. It matches, you know, it matches pretty close, right? So now what I'm going to do, I can sew these lines, okay, obviously after I glue this down to the foam. We're using 1/4 inch foam. Let me roll some out here, I'll show you. Okay, we're using 1/4 inch scrim back foam. 1/4 inch scrim back foam we're using. We're going to glue this down. I'm going to cut this out, glue this down, and then we can start sewing. Now the center piece here is going to be raised, so I might do something special with that. Let me show you as we go. I'm going to cut out a whole nother center section for this, and then this gets custom made. You know, we get buttons put on here. I got to make the buttons, but let's get rolling. Looking good. Passenger side, let's cut her out. Cut it out, cut it out. it out. I cut little slices to make the turns. Okay, on all the sides here, little slices. And this is it, centerpiece. Okay, that's how that's gonna go. 80-year-old dingy door skins. Ready? Old, and now the new. Look at that. Ready to go. Like well, it is. Brand new. Going in the car. Here's the other one. Got the holes punched already. Got the holes punched in for the window cranks. Ready to go. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. I'm saving the old cars. Don't crush them. Save them. Thanks for coming by. I'll see you again on the next one. Thank you.